And this is how to change the website text font in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to change the website text font in Google Sites. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. So first, go to sites.google.com. Then click on the website you want to change the text font for. This is my website in Google Sites, and as you see, this is my current font. Now to change or to add or change this text font, simply go to themes, and here you will see new fonts and styles created by Google. For example, if you are satisfied with this theme, you can edit its font from classic to light and to heavy, as you see here. Let's use this from modern to bold to classic. Let's go with this font, for example, frank, narrow, and so on. If you are not satisfied with these fonts provided by Google, you can create your own theme with your own text font. So below custom, click on this plus icon. This creates a theme. Looks like, let's call it my new theme. Let's call it my theme. Okay, you can add a logo, a banner. I will skip those steps. Click on next. Here you can pick preset colors or custom color. You can use hex code colors like this. Okay, this is the import step, which is the title and heading specific text font. You can select it from here. Let's pick this impact one or this. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video and audio, etc. Also, how to create forms, maps, and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons, and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking, and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors, and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo Email Marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger Website Builder, and Hostinger Email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Select it from here. Let's pick this impact one or this caveat text font. For the body, or the body is this part, you can pick another, for example, let's keep it the same font. Caveat, normal, okay. Click on create theme, and just like that, your website text font is changed. And of course, you can still edit it later. Let's pick this bold for the titles. Let's see the difference in the, as you see here, now this part is started using the same font, the same text font, but in bold. Let's keep it normal. As you see, it changes automatically. Click on, of course, don't forget to hit the change button. And as you see, all my website text started using my new font. My bad, click on contact us page. All the website text font is edited. And let's see how to edit the text font not for places like navigation menu, but for titles. Let's open this chat, or yes, this chef page. Just pick the text you want to edit the text font for, and you can select fonts from this list. And of course, you can upload or you can get fonts from, you can search for them. I think those fonts are provided by Google or created by Google. Let's use this around D, done. As you see, it was used here. And of course, don't forget to hit this publish button. And let's view my website live. And this is my text new font. Let's check the home page, and this is the new font. Welcome to